Android running on the Linx 12V64. It starts, so we'll start, touchscreen, start, yep. Connecting. That's great. It's connected. So now. So now we're trying with Ubuntu. Tried Ubuntu, mate, and that was, it loaded, but nothing would work on the desktop, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, it's in landscape, in a portrait, sorry. That's different. That works. See if there's any sound. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay. Seems to be stuck. See if river box is better. be back. So when I take it out the keyboard dock, it goes landscape. In the keyboard dock it goes portrait for some reason, and I'm trying to find a driver now, but there isn't any for the sound, so looks like it's back to square one. But this is the most promising so far. But I don't think it's installable on this device. Ubuntu 19.10, last one was Ubuntu 18 point something. Can't remember. Such a long time ago. So we're going to see how this goes. This is the newest one. This is cutting edge of Ubuntu, if there is such a thing. And we're still on the Linx 12v 64. Linx, not Linux, sorry. Linx. At this point I don't care. So we've had Android and 2 lots of, this will be the 3rd lot of Ubuntu, so let's see how this goes. Right, something's happening. It's still in landscape mode. Why do I keep saying that? Portrait mode, for some reason. And why does it do that, I wonder? So we'll see if we have sound. Be right back. Okay, so now we have music. Oh, sound, sorry. Which is the best so far. Unfortunately, touch is a bit hit and miss. I don't know. We seem to be getting somewhere now. Or do we? Are we? Folder is empty. Folder isn't empty. We have to mount those. So let's see if I take it off, whether we get an on-screen keyboard. No.